Are you tired of constantly swapping cables between multiple devices? Look no further than the Monoprice 4K HDMI 2.0 and USB 3.0 2x1 KVM switch from the Blackbird series. This sleek and efficient device allows you to effortlessly share one keyboard, mouse, monitor, and printer between two computers, streamlining your workspace and boosting productivity. With support for resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz, including 3840 by 2160 and 4096 by 2160, along with all 3D video modes. This KVM switch ensures stunning clarity and detail in your multimedia content. Plus, it's compliant with HDMI 2.0 and HDCP 2.2 1.4 standards, delivering up to 18 gigabits per second bandwidth for smooth, uninterrupted performance. One of the standout features of this KVM switch is its versatile color space support, including RGB 4:4:4, YCBCR 4:4:4, YCBCR 4:2:2, and YCBCR 4:2:0, catering to a wide range of display preferences. And with HDR and deep color support, you'll experience rich, lifelike visuals with 12 bits channel, 36 bits total, enhancing your viewing experience like never before. Whether you're using Windows, Mac OS X, or Linux, this KVM switch has you covered. Its compatibility with various operating systems ensures seamless integration into your existing setup, regardless of your preferred platform. In terms of design, the Monoprice KVM switch boasts a sleek black finish that complements any workstation aesthetic. And with its lightweight construction, weighing just 1.86 ounces, it's incredibly portable, allowing you to take it with you wherever you go. Say goodbye to cable clutter and hello to streamlined productivity with the Monoprice 4K HDMI 2.0 and USB 3.0 2x1 KVM switch. Upgrade your workspace today and take control of your computing experience like never before. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.